Pre-cut tint front windshield installation. Let's dive right in. Here are the recommended tools, with the most important one being an extra person to help get the job done. Preparation. It is important to cover up all the electrical components on the dash with thick sheets. Remove your rear view mirror and any stickers on your front windshield. Cleaning. Spray glass cleaner on inside of front windshield and squeegee away all liquid. Leave no trace of imperfections on the glass. Clean front window as well. Follow cleaning steps 1 and 2. Heat shrinking. Due to the curved nature of your glass, you will have to heat shrink your tint film on the front windshield. Make sure the release liner is facing up. Use heat gun at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and remove all fingers from the film. Do not stay on the same spot more than 5 seconds. Partially unveil release liner and generously spray the adhesive side of the film with tint solution. Next, gently roll up the wet tint film. Spray tint solution inside front windshield to prepare for installation. Here is where having that extra person comes in clutch. Have your partner pull on release liner of film. Pull in opposite direction, keeping the adhesive side clean from any dirt and debris. Mist tint film once again to ensure the adhesive side can easily align to the front windshield. Make sure no visible light from the outside can be seen from the edges of the film. Squeegee down from the middle to place the tint firmly onto the glass. Now squeegee towards the closest edge of the window. The main key now is to remove as much liquid as possible from the film. Take microfiber cloth and carefully dry edges of the window tint. Allow 72 hours for the film to cure. Installation complete.